An indecent assault charge can mean a variety of things. It's based on all sorts of behaviour. The basic meaning of an indecent assault is that it is an assault that occurs without the consent of the other person or the victim and in indecent circumstances. There has to be a sexual connotation to the assault. An indecent assault offence varies depending on the circumstances. It can be something as innocent as a kiss. The critical thing is whether that kiss was with consent of the other person. As with any sexual offence, start talking to a lawyer as soon as you can. The offence of indecent assault is a serious charge. The penalties are serious, and there is often a lot of complexity to the factual issues and law surrounding a decision to plead guilty or not guilty. We find that the most common defence to a charge of indecent assault concerns a factual dispute as to what actually took place, or a legal defence based on a belief or actual consent to the behaviour given by the complainant or victim. If the behaviour in question is too great to be easily characterised as indecent, usually the police would not bother laying a charge. A case example where I represented a client charged with indecent assault concerned a taxi driver who was alleged to have committed an indecent assault on a passenger in his car. My client had always denied the allegations. During the course of the hearing, I called witnesses who knew and could speak to the good character of my client, and I also referred to various inconsistencies in the prosecution case. The magistrate could not find the prosecution case proven beyond reasonable doubt, and as a result, my client was acquitted of the charges. I then successfully argued that the prosecution should pay for my client's costs. In this case, a conviction would have resulted in my client losing his livelihood as a taxi driver and his business, which he'd been operating as a taxi driver for some 15 years. Indecent assault charges are generally heard in the county court with a judge or a jury, or by a magistrate in the magistrate's court, depending upon the seriousness of the charge in question. The maximum penalty for indecent assault is 10 years. Our firm has several lawyers with experience in defending many of these charges. If you have been charged with indecent assault, call us so we can help you.